Hi everyone, here's a super simple guide for you to start your own NFT store or marketplace. Navigate to funches.app/register and fill in your email and passwords. Next, click Create Account and you'll receive an email with instructions to verify your email. Remember, check your spam folder. Click on the link that you've received in your verification email. A short survey will open up and we will ask you to enter some of your personal information. Don't worry, your data is super secure with us and we promise we won't spam you. If you don't want to leave any data, that's fine. Click Skip to proceed to the dashboard. Now let's create your new store. Type the name of your NFT store or marketplace and then fill in a subdomain from which your store will be accessible. Click Create Your Store. To create your first NFT, we have to first start with a new collection. Click Connect Wallet and sign the message in your preferred wallet solution. We are EVM agnostic, so you can mint NFTs and collections on Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, and many more. Now, click Create Collection on the top right corner and you'll be presented with some information to fill in. Choose the preferred chain on which you'll mint your collection. In this case, as we are connected on Polygon mainnet, the option will be automatically selected. Choose collection type, either ERC-71 or ERC-1155. Name the collection, its symbol, which can be later found on the blockchain, and collection description. You can also set default royalties on your collection. Remember to type in your wallet address and percentage amount you'd like to receive for future secondary sales. Now that your collection has been minted, go to Collections. Click on that collection that you have just created and review all the details regarding that collection. Now that you have created your first NFT collection, it's time to upload your first NFT. Navigate to NFTs on the left side of the menu and click Create NFT on the top right corner. Now choose your preferred chain. In this case, we mint on Polygon, as we've created our collection on Polygon. Next, choose the token type, either single asset or multiple assets. Do remember though that if you have created an ERC-1155 collection, you'll only be able to mint the NFTs with that particular token type. In this case, it's multiple assets. Now it's time to upload the actual NFT file. Select any file with JPG, PNG, and MP4 format and upload it here. Name the NFT and fill in its description. Remember also to add tags so that your potential buyers will be able to filter out of all NFTs available on your store or marketplace. Now choose to add these NFT to collections that you have just created. Remember, only the NFT collection with correct token type, in this case ERC-1155, will show up here. Click Next and you'll be able to fill in your sales settings. In this step, choose between free minting and regular minting. Free minting means that the NFT will be put on blockchain only when your user buys that NFT, saving you gas fees on creating your entire collection. Fill in the number of NFTs that will ever exist in supply field and then choose distribution type. For now, buy now is the only available option for selling your NFTs. Set the price and available quantity. Set the asset visibility to public and click Create. Now wait for it to upload the file and just be patient. Your file will be now minted as an NFT. Congratulations, you've minted your first NFT and you can view all its details by clicking on it. Thank you and see you in our next episode.